All right, guys, let us take a tour through my, space. I mean, my studio, the lights, the camera, my microphone, every single thing to know about my space. Oh, this is my messy desk. I'm gonna come back here, but right now, let's focus on this giant guy right in here. So over here, this is my main light. I mean, my key light, and the stand is actually a C stand with sweet photo light right on it. And the soft box is actually 90 centimeter soft box with a grade to actually, you know, make the light be stable, bright on me sitting down right in here. And this will make it not to spill the light to my background like this. Can you see it now? So I have another light here with a reflector to make sure I soften the light because this is actually my fill light and I do not want it to actually, spill too harsh on my face. Is and that's suit photo right in here. I control this light and this light with one single app. And next again is actually my camera. Let's record. I'm gonna press this particular part here. Oh, we are recording. So this is actually my camera, and my camera is actually ZVE10, and it's a great camera, and it gives me great quality videos, right? So now, if I go over here, I have my microphone here, plugged in. Can you see it now? Over here, can you see? This is my microphone. See that now? So this microphone here is a very powerful microphone. You might want to buy it as well if you have the money. So let's quickly go over to my desk here. So right here is my messy desk. Right here is my, messy desk. And I'm sorry, I'm going to fix this tomorrow. So over here, I have this particular light that can give me any color I want at all. One, then white, and you can change the color to whatever you want right in here. So now I have this other light here. This is it. This small light here is very powerful. You can change it to any color that you want. It's an RGB light as well. Can you see it? Whatever color you want, you can actually use it. Talking about this particular little boy here. This is actually moonlight. Yeah, they call it moonlight. It's a very powerful light and it gives you some kind of, I don't know, just right there. Okay, next again is talking about, okay, let's talk about my other microphone. Can you see this guy here? Focus right. Then over here we travel. Then here is it. I have this. I have another, microphone. Where do I keep that one? Let's check it. Okay, here you go. This microphone can be attached to this very camera right in here if I don't want to use this very one. But sometimes we just get to buy things we don't need. So not because we want to buy it, but because we don't have big budget to actually buy, something that will give you quality and last longer. You actually intend to buy what you might end up keeping. This one here, don't have to use again. So I'm sorry, whoever wants it, maybe one day I'm going to discard it. So I'll give it to someone else. That is exactly what it is. Okay, maybe your next question now would be like, oh, Guy, what do you do? Oh, if that is what you want, I actually do something that you know if you know me before. Or if you don't know me before, you might want to know what I do. I am actually a content creator, and what I create is actually teaching people how to use Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI. So simply means I am a data analyst. So I teach people how to use data to tell story and actually make decision without basing their decision on a guesswork. That is actually what I do. So I have over 8,000 subscribers. Yes, 80,000 subscribers. And I have over 400 videos on YouTube about Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Power BI. I think you should check it out. So go to my YouTube channel and just type in data decision on Google or on YouTube. It's going to prompt you this particular channel and click on it. That's going to be me. So if you're lazy to type, just go to this particular link right in here on the comment section and it's going to take you to my YouTube channel. Then you can actually subscribe. That is exactly what it is. So now, my advice to everybody who is actually creating content is, if you have money, don't spend it on, I'm not going to call that, but make sure you buy gadgets. Yeah, it's very important. Buy something like this. Buy something like this. Make sure you actually, have, quality gadget to make your videos. Even if you don't know how to use them as you're buying them, as you buy them, you actually start learning how to use them in the process. Because I'm not master of everything I have right now. So as I actually buy them, I start learning about them on YouTube. Friends, other creators come around and actually show me how to actually use them. That is exactly what it is. So buy gadgets is very important. Okay. This particular space here is my personal space. As you can see, I actually painted this particular side here white. And if you go through this way, down to here is black, which means if I want to say my brand color now is going to be black and white in this particular studio, because my window blind here, they're all black and white. Can you see it now? So my last word to you guys is keep creating. If you're a creator, and this particular video should actually motivate you never to give up. That is exactly what it is. So please, if you are watching this from my Facebook page, kindly follow me for more videos just like this. And if you're watching this from YouTube, subscribe to it. It's very important. From Instagram, you just have to follow. It's really, really important for you to actually take note of this particular page, because I'm going to be coming your way with different videos just like this every single time. So how about this? See you in my next videos.